Right, we've got a line drawn on the grid and we've got to find its equation. Now we all know that equations of lines have the general equation y equals mx plus c. So first thing I would do is write y equals, and it's something x plus c. The plus c bit is where it crosses the y-axis. So this line crosses the y-axis at -1. So -1, you probably got a mark just by doing that. Now, what we've then got to do is work out the gradient. So the gradient is the rise over the run between 2 points on the line. So if I take those 2 points, or those 2 points, or even if, and I'll do it in a different colour, I take those 2 points there, I will still get the same answer. Now the rise over the run here is going to be 3 over 6, okay, in that one, but if I add the blue one it would be 1 over 2. And 3 over 6 equals 1 over 2. Okay, so it's y equals a half x minus 1. Okay, so there's the equation of the line initially. Now it says find an equation of the line that is parallel to L. Now if it's parallel, it's got the same gradient. So it's got to be y equals a half x. We've just got to work out what the plus c is. Alright. So I'm going to use y equals mx plus c again, and I'm going to swap in y equals 4 and x equals 5, which are taken from the point here. So y equals 4, x equals 5. Alright, and I'm going to say, well, y equals mx plus c, I've got y equals a half x plus c, so 5 equals a half times 4, sorry, I do apologise, the wrong way round. What is it? 4 equals a half times 5 plus c. So c has got to equal 4 minus 2.5, which equals 1.5. Okay, 1.5. And I'm actually going to call it that. Alright, so use y equals mx plus c and swap in your values, which are the coordinate that's on that line, to find what c is. You've already got the gradient because you know it's parallel.